Many people believe that building wealth requires a substantial income or a large inheritance, but that's not the case. The truth is, even with a modest income, you can lay the foundation for financial success. All it takes is smart planning, discipline, and a willingness to start small. In this guide, we'll explore how you can grow your wealth with limited resources. From beginner-friendly investment strategies to practical money management tips, you'll discover actionable steps that can lead you to financial freedom, even if you're starting with just a little. Start with a wealth-building mindset. Before diving into investment strategies, it's crucial to shift your mindset. Building wealth begins with the belief that small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time. Focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need to invest thousands to make a difference. Start where you are, even if it's just $10 a week. Prioritize discipline. Stick to your financial goals, even when distractions arise. Consistency is the key to growing your wealth. Step 1. Save before you invest. Before investing, it's important to have a financial safety net. This ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses and can invest without stress. Build an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This acts as a cushion against unexpected challenges. Automate savings. Use apps or banking tools to automatically transfer a small portion of your paycheck into your savings account. Step 2. Leverage low-cost investment options. With little money, it's essential to choose investments that don't require large upfront costs or high fees. Start with index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are ideal for beginners. They allow you to invest in a broad market, offering diversification at a low cost. Example: Vanguard or Fidelity offer beginner-friendly funds with minimal fees. Explore micro-investing apps. Platforms like Acorns, Stash, or Robinhood let you start investing with as little as $1. These apps make it easy to invest spare change and gradually grow your portfolio. Invest in fractional shares. You don't need to buy a full share of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla. Fractional share investing allows you to buy a small portion of a stock, making high-value companies accessible. Step 3. Harness the power of compound interest. Compound interest is your best ally when building wealth. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Start early. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested now can multiply significantly over decades. Reinvest earnings. If your investments generate dividends or interest, reinvest them to maximize growth. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Building wealth isn't just about investing. It's also about increasing your earning potential. Monetize your skills. Identify a skill you can turn into a side hustle. Whether it's graphic design, tutoring, or freelance writing, a side hustle can provide additional income to fund your investments. Sell unused items. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Use the proceeds to start or grow your investment portfolio. Explore passive income opportunities. Look into options like dividend-paying stocks, peer-to-peer lending, or renting out an unused room on Airbnb. Step 5. Avoid common financial pitfalls. To build wealth effectively, you must avoid traps that drain your finances. Minimize debt. Pay off high-interest debt like credit cards as quickly as possible. High-interest payments can erode your ability to save and invest. Stick to a budget. Track your expenses, and create a realistic budget that prioritizes savings and investments. Free tools like Mint or YNAB can simplify this process. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Be wary of scams promising instant wealth. True wealth building takes time and effort. Step 6. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Read books and blogs. Start with beginner-friendly resources like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Watch educational content. Follow reputable financial YouTubers and podcasts to stay updated on trends and strategies. Learn about tax advantages. Understand how to use tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA to grow your wealth efficiently. Step 7. Stay consistent and patient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, persistence, and a long-term perspective. Set clear goals. Define your financial objectives, whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or starting a business. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress, no matter how small. Every dollar saved or invested brings you closer to your goals. Adapt as needed. Revisit your financial plan regularly and adjust it based on changes in your income or goals. Building wealth with little money is entirely possible with the right approach. By starting small, saving consistently, and making smart investments, you can turn modest beginnings into significant financial achievements. Remember, it's not about how much you have right now. It's about what you do with what you have. Take the first step today, and your future self will thank you.